Shimajiro! Let's play together! Mom quits!
Shimajiro, what is the meaning of this mess? I specifically told you to clean your room.
But Hannah said she wanted to draw pictures with me.
Well, all right. Then start cleaning up now.
Fine.
And don't slack off this time.
Shimajiro, let's play!
Ah, that's Flappy!
You want to play Flapperman versus the mighty Shimster?
Yes, I do. So, coming in then?
Oh, it's you. Hello, Flappy.
Good morning, Shimajiro's mom.
I'm going to go shopping for a while. Could you take care of the house with Shimajiro while I'm gone?
Sure.
Let's go, Hannah.
Bye-bye!
Oh, right. I've hung a towel outside. Take it in before it gets dark, okay?
Okay, Mom. Have fun! Mighty Shimster attacks!
But then Flapperman hits back.
Oh, you missed!
Oh, it's raining.
Hey, Mom, you're back!
Hello. Flappy, your mother was kind enough to lend me this umbrella. Please give her my regards when you see her. Thank you.
Okay. See you later, Shimajiro.
Bye-bye! Oh, I totally forgot!
I had asked you to take it in, Shimajiro.
Shimajiro! Ah, you stay out of it, Hannah.
Don't take it out on your sister.
You don't have to get mad about it. Just wash the towel again. That's what moms do, right?
I beg your pardon. It's okay, sweet Hannah. Okay then, Shimajiro. In that case, I quit. I'm not going to be your mom anymore.
What?
Shimajiro, your mother just told me what happened. I suggest you apologize immediately.
But...
All right, here we go.
Wait, Mom, it's missing mine.
Mom? I'm not your mom anymore, Shimajiro.
There you go.
Here, let me turn on the gas for you.
Yes, thank you. Thanks, Dad. I think I got it handled from here.
Help him.
I wouldn't want you getting burned. Let me help you. I think it's about done now.
I can do the rest, Dad.
All right. I'll give you half of mine.
Thank you.
Shimajiro.
Morning.
Morning. Why are you up so early?
I can do anything on my own. I'm even doing the laundry right now.
Oh, okay.
There, it's done. I'll take out the clothes.
Oh. I will do the dishes for you.
Sure, thanks.
What did you do?
I don't know. I've never done the laundry before. It's your fault for saying you were gonna quit being my mom.
Oh.
Something to get you down, Shimajiro?
Huh? Mr. Larson.
Oh, I see. Then I have just the thing for you.
You do?
Any luck, dear?
I looked for him everywhere, but...
Don't you worry. I'm sure he'll be back for his lunch.
I'm home!
And where have you been?
The Mystery Emporium.
You must be hungry. I'll cook something right up for you.
No, I'm fine.
Huh?
Come on in, Mambot. What's that? Mambot's a robot, Mom, I borrowed from Mr. Rarson. It knows how to do every single thing a mom can do.
What?
Don't you think that's too much?
No, it's fine. I love curry on rice. Looks delicious. Mom would never put this much on a plate. I'm full. I can't eat anymore. I'm working on that. Now finish. But I can't.
Could you?
Mambot, I'll just eat the rest for him.
Mambot, can you clean my room?
Starting program. Clean room. Clean room.
What are you doing? Those are my toys! Stop it now! Mom doesn't clean up like that! No! Not this book! Stop!
You are a bad boy. Must punish.
Help me!
Must punish.
Mom! Help me, please!
What's wrong?
I asked that Mombot to clean my room, and now it's trying to vacuum this book you used to read to me.
Shimajiro must punish.
Nobody gets to punish my son! Oh, Mr. Rarson, I'm so sorry.
Oh, yeah. Don't worry. It looks like it was just another failure. Oh, just have to start from scratch.
Shimajiro, your mother was worried sick about you the whole time. When you ran out of the house after the laundry incident, she looked for you all over town.
Mom really did that?
But that's not all. Every day, your mother works very hard around the house so that you kids can feel safe and happy.
Oh, Mom, I'm really sorry. So just promise me that you'll never tell me you quit again.
And I'm sorry for going too far, okay? I promise I'll always, always be your mom.
The day Mom cried.
Hey, Zota! Catch this! Is that all you got? A baby could have thrown much harder than that.
Awesome, Nikki.
Watch it, because the next one's gonna send you flying. Do you mean like this? Oh, that hurt. Wow, you took it right in the face.
Yeah. Are you okay, Kota? Hey, Nikki, why did you have to throw the ball so hard?
What? Can't you catch it if I throw it that hard? All right, that's it. This time, I'm gonna throw it so hard no one will be able to catch it.
Who are you aiming that at?
Shimajiro, are you okay? Are you hurt?
It hurts.
Aw, Shimajiro's crying now.
Oh, you're right.
Shimajiro is a crybaby.
I'm not a baby. I wasn't crying. Cry, baby, cry, baby.
Wah, I heard myself. You guys need to knock it off.
That's right. Zota, stop. Buta, too.
Don't worry about them, Shimajiro. I'm sure Zota and Buta have cried many times before.
Oh, yeah. When they were babies, they were crying all the time.
That's a wrong example.
Oh, right. I'm sorry. Ah, Shimajiro!
Why did you have to be so mean?
It's his fault.
This might sting a bit. Okay. That must have stung. I'm really proud of you. You didn't cry. Oh. Hey there. Did you boys hurt yourselves too?
We came here to say sorry to Shimajiro.
Yeah, I'm sorry for what we said, Shimajiro.
Sorry.
Oh, don't worry about it.
Really?
Uh-huh. It's just... I was a little embarrassed, that's all.
Huh? Oh, look, Shimajiro!
Hey, Hannah.
Oh. Was school fun today, Shimajiro?
Are you all right, Mommy?
Huh? It's nothing, honey.
Yes, but... Flower, not good. What? Oh. Oh, you're right. Flower. That was your most favorite flower, right, Mommy?
It used to be so beautiful, and then it just dried up. It just made me feel a little bit sad inside.
Oh, Mommy, I didn't know you cried too.
Of course I do.
Wow.
It's perfectly normal to cry when you're feeling sad or angry. The tears just come naturally.
You know, Mom, we were playing at recess today. I was so embarrassed about crying over that.
It's not embarrassing at all, sweetie.
No?
Of course not. I remember a long time ago when I was just a little girl. I wasn't very good at skipping rope, and I kept falling down in front of my friends. It hurt, and I felt embarrassed when I cried. But then I stopped crying and kept on practicing. I never cried from falling again. Looking back on it today, I might have just cried away all my pain and my embarrassment.
You know, when Miss Chicago put some stuff on my knee, it really stung. But I didn't cry. I felt very proud.
Tears have this magical ability to make you want to try a little harder, you know?
That's right.
Everybody cries, you know, Shimajiro. Even someone like your dad.
What? You mean even Dad cries? Hannah doesn't want Daddy crying.
Oh, but he didn't cry because he was feeling sad or angry. He was very happy.
He was happy?
Yes, I remember the first time I saw your father cry.
How much longer is it gonna be? Oh. Why is it taking so long? She should have been done by now. Huh? There it is! I'm so proud. I love you. He's absolutely perfect. It's a boy! It's a boy! It's a boy!
So that was the first time Daddy cried?
Yes, it was. Now, can you guess the second time?
Sakura, I'm so proud of you. She's so beautiful. It's a girl! It's a girl! It's a girl!
So Dad cried when Hannah was born too. Daddy, love Hannah!
Tears can mean many things, and they're not something you should be ashamed of.
Yeah, not embarrassed at all anymore now.
I'm glad to hear that.
Flower, not pretty. Pretty flower.
You're right. They're beautiful.
Yes, they really are.
Flower, not pretty. It's a yes. It's a yes.
Let's play. Come on. Here I go. Hey!
That one wasn't too bad, Shimajiro.
You're not gonna beat me today. Give it your best shot.
Look at him. He's in such a good mood today.
He sure is.
Yeah, that's more like the Shimajiro we know. All right, get ready, Shimajiro.
Come on. That's your best shot? Here I go.